In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the text cursor color on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select where it says accessibility. And then on the right side underneath vision, select where it says text cursor. And then if you want to change the color, you can go ahead and expand underneath text cursor indicator. And then you can adjust the color here. Just select whatever one you want, or you can choose another color by selecting that plus sign and then locating a different one on this color palette, or entering in a custom RGB code and then select done to save. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.